Morning. Can you see me okay? It is really cold this morning. Kind of frosty. There we go. You can probably see me better. I am smoking some Ready Rub. This stuff right here. Lane Limited Ready Rub. It used to be Edgeworth. You guys know the whole story behind that. Let's turn around right here. Aha. Bus driver. Can't tell who that was, but I think it might have been Tim. Who knows? Being coming out here in morning time when I get off work, smoking a pipe. Been feeding the birds here lately. This winter, I usually try to do it every winter. Went out there to Walmart yesterday and got some soot cakes. And this time of the year, man, they burn that soot cake up, and I bought like a woodpecker log that you hang. And I also make this peanut butter stuff that I just get a bag of the cheapest wild bird seed that you can find, as long as it has the black sunflower seeds in it and the millet, the little brown seeds. Mix that up with some peanut butter and it hardens. I put it out here in a bowl, and they love it. They tear it up. We got a lot of male and female cardinals around here, and they especially like it. I'll come out here when the sun is coming up, nice and peaceful, and listen to the birds and just watch them fly around, watch the day start, and enjoy a pipe. But oh, and I'm smoking it in my 2016 Pipe of the Year. It says I don't know if you can read that. Corncob pipe, or Corncob Nation. It's a nice pipe. It has the, as you can tell, the Mark Twain Dublin bow. I've had this ever since 2016. Smokes great. It is cold. Look kind of pale. I don't think my camera's doing good with the color this morning. I'm not that pale, guys. It might be because of the snow. Who knows? The lighting. Hope everybody's doing good. I really like this Burley blend. It's been around for a while. I didn't get to smoke any of the Edgeworth, the original stuff, so I can't do any comparison. But it's got a nice burley taste. A little bit of a molasses, light casing. A little more casing than like Prince Albert. Good, I like it. Lane Limited, Ready Rub. I've seen it around a lot. You know, it says America's finest pipe tobacco. Oh, let's see what it says. Description. It doesn't. Okay, well, this says America's finest pipe tobacco, even on the inside. Usually it tells you a little bit about it. But no, I just come out here and enjoy the morning time. I work thirds now. And I ordered some tobacco the other day. What was it? Shoot, I can't tell. Well, you guys have a good one, and I might have to do this one again. I think my battery just about ready to die on me. I didn't even look at the battery. But it was an English blend and some Navy Flake. But that's okay. I'll do another video to show you what it was. Well, listen, I better get off here. Thought I'd touch base with you. You guys have a good day and keep her smoking.